I'm Senator Akon, Eyakenyi, representing Akwa Ibom South Senatorial District. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I want to commend Senator Professor Sandy Ono for bringing up this motion concerning the Calabar Itu Highway, which has become a death trap to our people. Severally, the issue of the maintenance and reconstruction of roads across the nation has been raised in these hallowed chambers, and we've made a call on the Federal Ministry of Works to do something about the roads. We've also requested that the budget for road construction maintenance in Nigeria should also be improved. Mr. President, the Calabar Itu Road, as rightly stated in this motion by Senator Ono, is a major Trong A road that links several states. And for some years, Mr. President, we have been suffering in the state, in this part of the country. For someone to move from Uyo to Calabar or Calabar to Uyo takes some days, a minimum of 7 hours. A sister-in-law of mine that moved from Calabar to visit me in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, took 5 solid hours to go through the Calabar Itu Road. The major problem I see is not the contractor. It's on the release of funds, mobilization to the contractor to do its own part of the work. I'm very happy, Mr. President, that these chambers, through the committee, passed the amendment bill for procurement that will enable the executive to mobilize contractors enough to be able to do the work. And again, passing the budget, returning the budget to January to December cycle, I'm very certain will also help in the implementation of the budget. Mr. President, we've lost so many lives. Those who can't go through the 7 hours, 5 hours on the road, return back to Oron, Calabar using speedboats. Again, that waterfront where we used to have ferries that commuters, when entering, will ensure or will be certain that their lives are safe, that they'll move from one point to the other. The ferry services is no more there. And the only thing left is the small speedboats without life jacket, and in the course of crossing, they get drowned and so many people die. So this motion, Mr. President, is very, very important and needs urgent attention. I want to strongly support all the prayers as stated in this motion, that Julius Berger should be mobilized to return back to site, and when they get back, they should be serious. This festive period, the Christmas period, Cross River State, normally they have a festival, the Christmas festival, that people will travel from neighboring states to attend. That is going to be affected, and the economy of the area is also affected. I so support. Thank you.
Is there anybody against the motion?